1. The first ever phone with wireless charging was the Palm Pre First Gen. It was released in 2009 and ran WebOS, not Android. 2. The first HTC phone was the HTC Dream, also known as the T-Mobile G1. It was released in October 2008 and was the world's first commercial phone to run the Android operating system. 3. The surface of the metropolitan area of the city of Barcelona, Spain, is around 636 square kilometers, with more than 3.2 million inhabitants. 4. Sofia, the capital of Bulgaria, is one of the oldest capitals in Europe, with a history spanning over 7,000 years. 5. Singapore hosted one of the largest electronic music festivals in Asia, Ultra Singapore. 6. The first version of Minecraft was created in 6 days, from May 10, 2009, to May 16, 2009. 7. Hong Kong is the city with the most skyscrapers. That city has 554 buildings that are at least 150 meters 492 feet high. 8. When the movie The Exorcist premiered in Rome, lightning struck a 400-year-old cross atop a nearby church. 9. The Linux operating system was created in 1991 by Linus Torvalds, a Finnish student at the University of Helsinki. Over time, Linux has become a complete operating system. 10. It's believed that, from February 28, 1975, to June 16, 2024, Sony purchased 148 companies, including technology, music, and video games companies. 11. September used to have 29 days. In 46 BC, September became a month with 30 days. 12. It is believed that the ancient Greeks started setting fire to Roman ships with parabolic mirrors and concentrated sunlight. 13. 1/3 of the world's languages are spoken in Africa. This continent is home to 1,000 to 2,000 languages. 14. Nestle offered 1,850 bars of real chocolate for the movie Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. 15. Right now, the highest-grossing movie of all time is Avatar, $2.92 billion. It was released in 2009. 16. In Norway, there is the longest road tunnel in the world. It is 24.5 kilometers long and its building cost was $110 million. 17. Spanish is the second most widely spoken language in the world, in terms of native speakers, 500 million. 18. Karl Marx, a philosopher and economist from Germany, is considered the founder of communism. In 1848, he published a book about communist theories. 19. Islam is the second most widely spread religion, with about 2 billion people. The first one is Christianity, with 2.4 billion. 20. Nestle, the chocolate brand, came out in 1904. Henri Nestle was a key figure who founded a company that eventually became the Nestle Group.